In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize images on Wix. Resizing images correctly keeps your pages looking clean, consistent, and fast. I'll walk you through the exact clicks you'll make in the Wix editor, along with a few simple tips to keep your images crisp and on brand. Start by opening your Wix website editor and navigating to the page where your image appears. Once the page loads, click directly on the image you want to adjust. When the image is selected, you'll see resize handles around it and a small floating toolbar or panel with image options. Next, click the highlighted option that opens the image controls. In many layouts, this appears as an Edit Image or Settings button. If your image is layered inside a container, a gallery, or a strip, click again on the image until you're targeting the image itself, not the surrounding section. You'll know you have the right layer when the resize handles hug just the image and the image options panel references the image, not the container. With the image selected, use the highlighted controls to resize. You can drag a corner handle to scale proportionally, which helps prevent distortion, or drag a side handle if you need to adjust only the width or height. Watch the on-screen guidelines and size readout to keep things consistent with other elements on the page. If you see a lock icon for proportions, keep it locked to preserve the aspect ratio, especially for product shots and logos. Continue clicking the highlighted size controls to fine-tune the dimensions. If your design requires exact sizing, use the size fields if they're available in your panel, or nudge the handles slowly and let the snapping guides align the image with nearby content. As you resize, keep an eye on image quality. If an image looks blurry when enlarged, it may not be high enough resolution for that size. In that case, consider keeping it smaller to maintain clarity. If your page includes multiple images that should match, select each one in turn and use the same highlighted controls to bring them to a consistent size. This keeps your layout balanced and helps your content feel intentional. When you're happy with the result, click Apply in the image editor to confirm your changes and return to the canvas. That's it. Your image is now resized in Wix, and your page will reflect the updated dimensions while